Today, we're exploring 6 of the best mini PCs that deliver desktop-class performance in incredibly compact form factors. From budget-friendly productivity machines to AI-accelerated workstations and gaming powerhouses, these tiny titans prove that size doesn't matter when it comes to computing power. Whether you're building a home theater PC, setting up a home office, creating a compact workstation, or need a portable gaming rig, these mini PCs combine cutting-edge technology with space-saving designs like no other. Let's get started. Number 6. GMK Tech K10. The GMK Tech K10 is an ultra-compact mini PC that delivers impressive everyday performance at an incredibly affordable price point. Powered by AMD's efficient Ryzen processors with integrated Radeon graphics, this tiny machine handles productivity tasks, web browsing, media streaming, and light creative work with ease. The compact design, measuring just a few inches, makes it perfect for mounting behind monitors with the included VESA bracket, creating an ultra-clean desk setup. With expandable memory supporting up to 32GB DDR5 RAM and dual M.2 slots for storage, you can customize the system to match your needs and budget. The comprehensive port selection includes USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, and Gigabit Ethernet for versatile connectivity. The Whisper Quiet cooling system ensures peaceful operation in home offices or bedroom setups, while the energy-efficient design keeps electricity costs minimal. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for wireless connectivity, the GMK Tech K10 is perfect for students, casual users, and budget-conscious buyers seeking reliable computing. The GMK Tech K10 retails for approximately $299 USD. Number 5. Beelink CR8. The Beelink CR8 brings AMD Ryzen power to the mini PC market with impressive efficiency and strong all-around performance. Powered by AMD's Ryzen 7 processor with integrated Radeon graphics, this compact system handles productivity tasks, multimedia editing, and light gaming without breaking a sweat. The expandable memory supporting up to 64GB DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking across demanding applications, while dual M.2 slots allow for generous storage configurations with NVMe SSDs. The sleek aluminum chassis with efficient thermal design keeps temperatures in check while maintaining whisper quiet operation, ideal for office environments. Comprehensive connectivity includes USB 4 ports for future-proof expandability, dual HDMI outputs for multi-monitor setups, and 2.5G Ethernet for blazing fast wired networking. The compact footprint with VESA mount compatibility lets you hide it behind your monitor for an ultra-clean workspace. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, plus support for 4K displays at 60 Hz, the Beelink SR8 delivers premium performance at a competitive price point. The Beelink SR8 retails for approximately $549 USD. Number 4. Geekom A6. The Geekom A6 is a powerful mini PC built around AMD's Ryzen processors, offering exceptional performance for demanding workloads in a remarkably small package. Featuring up to AMD Ryzen 9 processors with integrated Radeon graphics, this machine excels at video editing, 3D rendering, software development, and intensive multitasking scenarios. Support for up to 64GB of DDR5 RAM and multiple storage configurations, including PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSDs, ensures your system stays responsive under heavy loads. The advanced cooling system with dual fans and heat pipe technology maintains optimal temperatures even during sustained workloads, while keeping noise levels reasonable. Extensive connectivity options include multiple USB-C ports with DisplayPort support, USB-A connections, dual HDMI outputs capable of driving multiple 4K displays, and 2.5G Ethernet for fast networking. The premium aluminum construction with subtle design aesthetics looks professional in any environment. With Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and excellent Linux compatibility alongside Windows support, the Geekom A6 is built for power users and professionals. The Geekom A6 retails for approximately $699 USD. Number 3. Minisforum AI X1 Pro. The Minisforum AI X1 Pro represents the cutting edge of mini PC technology, featuring dedicated AI acceleration for machine learning, creative workloads, and next-generation applications. Powered by advanced AMD Ryzen AI processors with integrated NPU, neural processing unit, This machine excels at AI-enhanced tasks like photo editing with automatic masking, video upscaling, content generation, and real-time translation. The premium build quality features an all-metal chassis with sophisticated thermal management that keeps the system cool and quiet under intensive AI workloads. With support for up to 96 GB of RAM and multiple PCIe 4.0 NVMe drives, you can configure a true professional workstation in miniature form. Thunderbolt 4 connectivity enables external GPU docking for users who need additional graphics power, while the blazing fast Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5G Ethernet ensure fast data transfers. ASUS support provides even more expandability options for specialized workflows. The AI X1 Pro includes pre-configured AI software and optimized drivers that leverage the NPU for enhanced performance in creative applications. The Minisforum AI X1 Pro retails for approximately $899 USD. Number 2. Apple Mac Mini M4. The Apple Mac Mini M4 is a revolutionary compact desktop powered by Apple's groundbreaking M4 chip that delivers unprecedented performance per watt in an iconic aluminum enclosure. With its unified memory architecture and up to 10-core CPU paired with a 10-core GPU, this mini Mac handles everything from professional video editing in Final Cut Pro to software development and music production with incredible efficiency. The completely fanless design ensures absolutely silent operation, making it perfect for recording studios, quiet offices, and home environments where noise matters. Mac OS integration provides seamless continuity with other Apple devices including iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch, creating a cohesive ecosystem. The comprehensive port selection includes multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports supporting high-speed data transfer and external display connectivity, HDMI 2.1 for up to 8K displays, and Gigabit Ethernet. With support for up to 3 external displays, exceptional energy efficiency that keeps electricity costs minimal, and the legendary Mac OS stability and security, the Mac Mini M4 is perfect for creative professionals and Apple ecosystem users. The Apple Mac Mini M4 starts at approximately $599 USD. Number 1. ROG NUC 970, best for gaming. The ROG NUC 970 is the ultimate gaming mini PC, combining desktop-class gaming performance with a footprint smaller than most gaming consoles in a premium package. Built on Intel's latest NUC platform with up to Core i9 processors and discrete NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics, this beast delivers smooth high-refresh gaming, ray tracing capabilities, and exceptional 1440p to 4K performance. The sophisticated cooling system with multiple heat pipes, vapor chamber technology, and dual high-performance fans ensures sustained performance during marathon gaming sessions without thermal throttling. Customizable RGB lighting with AuraSync integration adds that signature ROG gaming flair and syncs with your other peripherals. Expandable memory up to 64 GB DDR5 RAM and multiple M2 PCIe 4.0 slots mean you can build a truly powerful gaming rig without compromise. With Wi-Fi 6E for low-latency wireless gaming, 2.5G Ethernet for competitive wired connections, and extensive USB connectivity including Thunderbolt 4, you can connect all your gaming peripherals. The compact design fits perfectly in entertainment centers or small desks, while delivering performance that rivals full-size gaming desktops. The ROG NUC 970 retails for approximately $118.99 USD.